Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for the ABMA education examinations, Level 5 Diploma in Human Resource Management, you're in the right place. Our today's question comes from employee engagement. Question on your screen. Discuss how you might try to discover if there was any long-term relationship between employee engagement and the performance of a business. 20 marks. Employee engagement is how much employees care about their work and the company's goals. Business performance includes things like profits, customer satisfaction, and productivity. Finding out if engagement affects performance over a long time is important for companies. This essay will discuss 5 methods to discover this relationship, with examples to show how they work. Firstly, conduct regular employee engagement surveys. Surveys ask employees about their motivation and commitment. Comparing survey results with performance data, like sales, over years can show a link. For example, a retail chain like ShopRite might survey workers annually and find that stores with high engagement scores have better sales over time. Secondly, track key performance indicators, KPIs. KP is like revenue, or customer ratings can be measured alongside engagement levels. A company can check if high engagement leads to better KPIs. For instance, a tech firm like Microsoft might track productivity after engagement programs and see if it improves over 5 years. Next, use longitudinal studies. These studies follow the same employees over time to see how engagement affects performance. For example, a bank like Standard Bank could study a group of workers for 10 years, checking if engaged employees consistently contribute to higher profits. Moreover, analyze turnover rates. Engaged employees are less likely to leave, which can improve performance by reducing hiring costs. A company can compare turnover with performance metrics. For example, a hotel like Sunbird might find that low turnover due to high engagement leads to better guest ratings over time. Finally, conduct case studies. Studying specific departments or teams can show how engagement impacts performance. For example, a factory like Toyota might compare 2 teams, one with high engagement and one with low, and track their output over years to see differences. In conclusion, discovering the long-term relationship between employee engagement and business performance requires careful methods. Surveys, KPIs, longitudinal studies, turnover analysis, and case studies can show this link. Examples from ShopRite, Microsoft, Standard Bank, Marriott, and Toyota show how these methods work. Companies that use these approaches can understand how engagement drives success over time. If this video helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment below with the score you're aiming for. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.